there, Mark and Mandy, it's me, Spencer the Barber. Today I'm going to be showcasing you the classic crew cut and how to do some basic styling. So I just finished cutting his hair, give him a nice short fade. This is a really good style for the classic businessman. So I'm going to just give him a quick blow dry here, just to dry his hair. You want to make sure you're not getting too much volume with the crew cut, nice and flat. Then I'm going to finish with some nice thick cream pomade. You don't need too much, just a little on your finger. Make sure you work it nice and good in your hands. Heat up the product, you don't want any clumps. Start working it in from root to end, making sure you're getting that product all the way down onto the scalp. That's where we want all that hold to stay. Pull up the front a little bit just to get some volume. I always finish with a comb. Just combing in the direction of the hair, and then finishing the front up a little bit. Quite simple, quite easy. And there you have it, the classic crew cut.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.